Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, this time I want to demo the result of making a prayer schedule website. I made this all using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and APA. The first is this. I make this the navbar. I take this code of navbar from Bootstrap. This and this the code. I make the section now class navbar, div class container fleet, and this is the icon masjid. I put for I download for Chrome, and I check here, and then I call this image here with image SRC Nabawi Mosque, and then this the icon with 24 and hey 24, and for this jadwal azan I make with a href, and the class is navbar brand jadwal azan, and then this is wait in CSS. This is for CSS, styling CSS of navbar, display grid, template columns, and this is the background color. I make opacity the navbar, and then the padding 8px, position fixed. This is position fixed. Then not scroll because the position is fixed, and with 100%, and top 0, left 0, z index 90,000. I don't know. This, and then I put this the Gregorian and Hijriah dates. I wrote the code in here, HTML with p class tanggal ID Hijriah, and I make script, and I put this link website URL for Ikhwan Fillah, like this. And then for the time, this time I make for this in HTML div class clock, and this is div class time, and I make this for JavaScript here, JavaScript time. This is the time is automatis, and I make time automatis for this function update time, constant element, document get element with ID time, const now new date, const hours, like this. And then this set interval update time, and then okay, and this the background. Okay, before the background, and this for styling and styling logo. This I'm styling make grid column 1 and height 30px, padding left 30px, and then this is navbar brand. This navbar brand this for jadwal azan, and then judul azan, the color this, and then we column for 1, padding top 5px, padding left 10px, text line center, font size 25px, font family Poppin sans serif. And for the clock, this, styling the clock, I make padding left this, and with 20px, height 20px, display flex, justify content center, align item center, and this jump for font size and font family Poppins, font size 30px. And for the background, I for the change background like this, I make for the first is for index.html. I make this first, div class section top, and div class content, and then after that in style CSS I make this section top with 100, height 100, and overflow hidden, position relative, back image URL, and this for the trying URL masjid 2, JPG, background position center, background repeat, no repeat, background size cover, and text line center, justify content center, animation change 20 seconds, infinite, easy in out, and position is fixed. Position fixed for the background, not scroll. Okay, and then for this image in here, I make this a keyframes change. This is 10% background image URL, and this image I check here, I don't know for Chrome, and then this is I call with URL mesti JPG and like this, and then the result like this, the background change for 20 seconds, and then what are this? Let you hasten to prayer. In here I make for H1 and H3 for and do not neglect to pray, and I make this for Arabic. I make div class Arabic text, and here in styling CSS, this is for the fonts. Font I put in import URL font Google font here, and then the content H1 this. The color is white, font size 30px, letter spacing 5px, font family Python Sans, font awake this, and margin top 80px. And for the H3 this, and do not neglect to pray, I made this margin top 2px, font family Python Sans serif, and the color is black, and font size is 800. And then for the Arabic text, before that I make this Arabic text is what potong-potong atau putus-putus, and then for make this Arabic biar tulisan Arabnya nggak putus-putus, I in here in styling Arabic text I make this white space no wrap, overflow normal, and word wrap normal like this, and then the result like this by not what putus-putus like that. And then for this is judul kota. Okay, this is all. I make this time to azan, schedule of azan. This is otomatis for Bogor. If I refresh now, like this is otomatis, and location in Bogor. This is Bogor. I make this span here, span place judul kota. This is Bogor, and for this card time to schedule of azan, I make this card, div plus container, div plus card, and then div plus again, card contain imsak, and div plus for the time, jam bit rounded till imsak, like this. And then in style.css, I call this container display place, just really content space between, and for the card with 400px, height 100px, background color this, and border 1px solid, margin 10px, and this margin top 100px, display in line block position relative. And for the card content, position absolute, and then I like this, sex life, for family, I like this. And then for this time, before this, I make this time from JavaScript, and I make API here. The first, I make the function, the name is get jadwal sholat, and then fetch. Now this URL, I put URL API this for Chrome, for banghasan.com, and then after call this, we make this, then respond JSON, then data, const jadwal, data, document query imsak. Nah this imsak subuh terbit zuhur asar maghrib isya, and then this, after make this, I style in here, color black, font size 20ps, font family type pen, sans serif, and then also like this is automatic. Before this, the time now for like this, in this, I make before this like this, subuh, nggak beraturan, and then after I make this in JavaScript, and then the result like this, imsak, subuh, terbit, asar, zuhur, asar, maghrib, isya, for the location in Bogor, and then and I think this is the last is this, what the name, text, wait, for the running text, this I make this in index.html. I make with this marquee, and this tulis like this, and then after that I styling here in CSS. This is text, font size 16px, margin top this, and position static top 50%, padding 5px with 100% height, 50px background color like this, and then the result for the running text is like this. I think enough, and for I think this is enough for me, and sorry for my mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.